Hey there and welcome to the Learn FL Studio for Mac and PC course. My name is Martin Svensson and I'm a music producer. I've been using several digital audio workstations like FL Studio, Logic and Ableton, all of them in combination for over 10 years now. I've been creating music for a lot of different music producers, which is how I make a living by the way, and everything is made straight into the box on my laptop. In this course I'm going to show you how to quickly get to know the digital audio workstation called FL Studio, and we're going to work with FL Studio version 20 in this course. My goal is to teach you how to go from knowing nothing about FL Studio to create your first full track in just one day. We will cover everything from how to purchase and download FL Studio from their website, to the layouts, to the different sounds and plugins that comes with FL Studio, to all of the different settings, automation, piano roll, playlist, arrangement, mixer section, key commands, the file browser, and at last how to create a full song from scratch. I'm also going to show you my own secret tips and tricks that I've been using with FL Studio for years and years. You'll also get a bonus of free sample packs with a library that is exclusive for Udemy students, all for free. That sample pack library contains a lot of different sample packs and new ones are added every week. You'll get free access to them lifetime with the purchase of this course. Alright guys, so I hope you're as excited as I am to dive into this course and start making music with FL Studio. So see you in the course. Okay, so let's take a look at what we will learn inside of this course. The first steps in FL Studio. This is the first chapter. The first steps in FL Studio, a brief walkthrough of FL Studio. So what we will take a look at here is basically the interface, what FL Studio is all about. We'll take a look at the graphical interface as well. So just basic first steps in FL Studio. Next thing, which version should I get? So here we'll take a look at the differences between the different versions to see what fits your needs. So FL Studio comes with different versions. There are different pricings as well. You can go a lot cheaper and it can get very pricey as well. So we will take a look at what version you should get and why you should pay more to get a better version, for instance. Then we're going to take a look at a more in-depth overview of the interface as well. Then we're going to take a look at the channel rack, which is where you will create your sounds inside of FL Studio. Then the mixer. So the mixer is very important to create volumes, to level things out, create EQs, compression, and other stuff like that. Then we're going to take a look at the playlist, which is basically where you arrange your track and where you create different sounds in time. Then we'll start a project. So we'll set up a template that contains all of your different favorite settings. And then after that, you just hit save on that project template and it will load up every time you want to create a new track. So instead of messing around with different settings and stuff, when you create a new project, you just go into that creative state and you can just put up a piano, for instance, and you don't have to worry about different settings. You just set it up once and then we have a project template set up. Next thing we will go to looking at is going to be how to programming drums. So we'll program different drums and beats and stuff like that. And FL Studio works very nice when you want to create beats. Then we're going to take a look how to group tracks in the mixer. Then create sidechain in FL Studio, setting up your MIDI keyboard. We'll create automation clips and then we'll go through different shortcuts you need to know. Then we're going to create a full track. So we're going to take a look at an existing radio track that is out there that is very popular. So we will analyze that track. We'll take a look at the different individual instruments and we'll trying to recreate them as close as possible, basically. So we're not going to create a huge track here. We're not going to create a full project in this course because I only want to show you how it's possible to create a track very, very fast in FL Studio. And it's very important to create tracks very fast because when you're in that creative mindset, you want to get all of your different creative ideas inside of FL Studio immediately and then work on different tweaking sounds and tweaking instruments and other stuff like that. So I'm not going to actually take clap samples or synth samples and trying to tweak them as long as I can because that's not the purpose of this course. I just want to show you how to quickly and fast get out your ideas inside of FL Studio and then create arrangement and being creative and creating tracks basically. So the next chapter is workflow tips, and here I'm going to show you how to create and handle backups in FL Studio. So there are a lot of different important things you can do about backups, and I'm actually going to show you as well how to back up your whole computer with external hard drive for a very, very small price. And this is very important to do because it will save you a lot when it comes to like if FL Studio is going to crash, or let's say your computer is out of power or something like that. Then we're going to take a look at different workflow tips that every producer needs to know. So we're going to cover different things that I was searching a lot, like over 10 years ago when I started out with FL Studio, and there wasn't like a lot of different clips on YouTube as nowadays. So instead of searching through different clips and searching through different, like, you know, Reddit topics and like searching on forum and Googling and stuff, I will show you exactly what you need to know and what every big producer uses out there right now. Alright guys, so that is basically what this course is all about. So see you in the next lecture. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to download the free sample packs that comes with this course. So first you need to go to the website music-prod.com. And when you're at the web page, you just go to sounds, you choose whatever category you want the sounds for, or you can just press sounds here and then choose one of these sample packs that are up on the website. So let's go, for instance, to the trap drum loops one here, sample pack. And here you can preview the whole sample pack, which together with different music. And then you can also preview some of the individual samples here as well. Then you can go to the sample pack here, and some of the sample packs are free. So if you go to the free ones, you will see here on the web page that you just go and enroll in this trap drum loops. So you just put your full name, email address, password, and confirm password. And we need your email address just to send out the sample packs. You don't need to opt in for any newsletters or mails or anything like that. So let's say that we go to this sample pack called Transitional Elements FX. Here we go to the sample pack, and since this sample pack is priced at $19 here, you have to add the coupon code called music-prod-free. And as soon as you apply this coupon code, you will see it gets free. So you will get the discount of the amount that the sample pack is for. So then you just go ahead here and write out your email address, your name. And this is just so we know where to send you the sample packs. Alright guys, so let's see you in the next lecture. Alright, so welcome to the course. Okay, so before we begin, I just want to let you know that Udemy is going to ask you for a review of this course pretty quickly. If you enjoyed the course until they ask you for a review, please give it a 5-star review. If you feel that something is missing in this course, or if there is something that you don't like, please wait to leave a review until the end, since it is going to be different aha moments and things that will make sense later in the course. That's because it all fits together like a puzzle piece in the end. Alright, so if you enjoyed the course to the end, please leave a 5-star review at that point. If you for some reason did not enjoy the course, or if you feel something is missing, or you see something that I should improve, please reach out to me first and I will happily answer your questions as well as improve this course. That way I will know what to update in the course based on what my students wants to know, as well as making this course the best one, not only for you, but for all of the students here. Okay, so that being said, let's continue and dive right into the course.